August 16th, 2019, 7:09 a.m. This is going to be sky view, second sky view. Sun's already up. Just got done doing a video of the moon. It went down right there. So that would be the moon part 2 of the day. But I think, like I was saying earlier, I'm probably going to make a compilation from yesterday when the moon rose to right now when the moon's setting, because it is technically a full moon still, because it just rose last night. There we go. We've got the sun rolling up. I'm about midway. There's the AC unit. This is where I'm normally at. And there's the tripod. No plane so far. No shiny guys. No plane farts. This is awesome. It's supposed to be another possible 100+ degree day. So we'll see what happens. And now that the sun is up, there's barely an aura of orange around it. It is now almost completely white with a hint of blue to it. Yeah. Just like that. Sun rose right there, and now it's right there. There's no manipulation. This is where I was at. I was right here 2 days ago. Yesterday right here. Today I'm right here. Tomorrow I'm going to have to be right there. August 16th, 2019, 4:15 p.m. Sky view. Just notice how the sun has got like a green aura around it with the filter. See right there, there's like a green outline around the edge of the sun, the outside edge. And when the sun is down here with the filter, it has like an orangish aura. Just saying. Another over 100 degree day. No planes farting, but it does look like there's a fire right there. I will take still shots and I'll do a zoom in here at the end. Not a cloud in the sky, a little bit of wind. Work, work, work. No sunburn. No need for sunblock, nothing. But when these planes fart, that's a whole different ball game. Got to wear long sleeves out here. Got to wear a hat. Covers your shoulders. Yeah. And it'd be favorable to wear some sunscreen. And that's when they use that chemical. So whatever they're doing, when they spray, it magnifies this thing. Also, the color. Where'd the yellow go from this morning and in the evening when it goes down? Why is it white-blue or blue-white? Either way you say it. It's not correct. This light is not correct. Alright, enough of that. Let's zoom in on that smoke over there. Alright, we are zoomed in on the smoke. That is smoke. That is not clouds. Anything that would be plane farts, but it's not. No more of it there. So it is mainly right here. You can see it. Just bang. Right there, that dark stuff. Then it fades down on top of the mountains, which you really can't see anymore. This is where I get the sunrise. See if I can see the mountains. Nope. Nope. Hazy horizon. Alright, let's do a zoomed in look at the sun real quick. Yeah, look at that. There's a dark greenish blue ring around it. Yeah. Watch, I'll show you guys later on the sky view before sunset. Alright, everyone, be safe out there. Peace out. A news helicopter. Had a snorkel on the end. I'll put the time in below.